Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 lovely plants that I got from Jenny at Creekside Nursery. The one that I have in my hand is called Double Play Candy Corn, and there's the tag. This shrub stays small, so you can put it in the very front of your flower garden. It only gets 1.5 to 2 feet tall, and it stays really tidy and doesn't get out of control. So this plant is really one of the only few plants that I know that have all year round interest. So this one has these lovely pink blooms in the spring, and then in the fall the leaves start turning this gorgeous color, and this is what it looks like in the fall. Can you not deny how gorgeous this plant is? So one thing that I love about this plant is that it's a little bit light. So it's going to look absolutely gorgeous against your green evergreen backdrop. So anything that's dark green with this color will give you absolute contrast. So I'm going to put this in the very front of my flower garden today, and I'm going to show you how I plant that, and then I'm going to talk about the next plant. The next plant that I have to talk about is a ground cover, or it's going to be a ground cover for me. So I'm going to put this in the front of my garden as well. This plant's called Boom Chocolatta, and it's a proven winner's plant as well. You know that's my favorite, and this is the plant tag for that. So this plant will get 24 to 26 inches tall. It will take full sun to part sun, so here in my back it's going to get plenty of sun. And it is, I'm trying to find the zone on here, hardy in zones 4 to 8. So yeah, that's about it. So it has dark bronze leaves, are topped with blue purple flowers on an upright habit. Used as contrast to green-leaved perennials in the garden. So you can see these purplishy looking flowers here. I'm kind of in the shade, so I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyways, gorgeous plant, so I'm excited about this one too. And the next plant that I have is called Puffer Fish. It's a panicle hydrangea, just like a limelight hydrangea. I'll treat it the exact same way, so it'll take full sun. But since I'm here in the south, zone 8, I will put some water to it. So I have I have drip running to all my gardens. So I'll add a little bit of water to this shrub here when I get it planted, because it will be in full sun. But I'm excited about this, and this is new on the market. Let's plant down, but let me show you close up here. There's no blooms on it right now to really show you. But this is what the blooms are going to look like. So it'll come out as a creamy white, just like the limelight hydrangeas. And it's called puffer fish. And I hope you could see this in this. Here, do you see those little springy looking things that are on top of the panicles? So they have like a bloom, and then another little puff of a bloom, so that's why they call it the puffer fish. So let me just read the tag here. When puffer fish hydrangea flowers, its foliage nearly disappears under the blizzard of blooms. A neat and unusual tuft of extra floret bursts from the tip of the flower in the late summer. So there you go. So this will be a little bit smaller than my limelight hydrangeas. This one will only get to 3 to 5 feet tall, where regular limelights will get to 6 to 8 feet tall, but my little limes only get to 5 feet tall. So this is kind of comparable, a little bit smaller than the little limelight. So beautiful blooms every year, that's what it says. And the zones, hardiness zones, is 3 to 8, and I already told you 3 to 5 feet tall. It's a petite shrub, abundant blooms, it's cold, hardy. It takes sun / part shade. And like I said, I do have drip to all of my gardens, so this is going to get drip as well. And so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to plant these plants.